Hi guys, it's Imani here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Adore Me haul. I'm so excited to be partnering with Adore Me again. And this video is sponsored by them. Of course, all thoughts of my own, but I'm going to be telling you all about their Elite box. Okay, so you know my hauls are usually fun. I sit down, I chit chat with you, and then we're gonna show the outfits. Okay, we're gonna show the lingerie. I got some cute stuff this time, so we're gonna dive into it. So the Elite Box is a monthly subscription service where you get to transform your home into a fitting room. So we all know how it could be when shopping for lingerie in store. Maybe they don't have your size, you're not having a great in-store experience. So now you take that part out of it and you can get this Elite Box delivered right to your home. And then the things that you do like, you keep, and if you don't love it, you send it right back. So each box comes with 3 to 5 products and they are curated for you. So when you sign up for the Elite Box, you're gonna take a quiz and then you're gonna have a stylist assigned to you and they're going to curate the items that come in your box. And it's pretty fun. It's like you get a gift from you to you. Okay, so my Elite Box came and I also got a couple other things. So usually you would get 3 to 5 things in your Elite Box, but since I knew that I was going to be doing this video for you guys, I wanted to give you a wider range of selections. So we're gonna look at more than 5 things. Okay, with this Elite Box subscription, you have 7 days to try on the items, like I said, and everything that you love you keep, and if you don't love it, you return it. Free returns, might I add. So there's a $0 fee for the Elite Box monthly. You can skip a box, so if you don't want it to come every month, you know, you're like, okay girl, you had enough gifts. You can skip it and you can cancel at any time. But there is a $20 styling fee since you're assigned that stylist that puts the box together for you. But if you keep at least one item from the box, that $20 styling fee goes as a credit towards your purchase. So what I like about the Elite Box is, you know that Adore Me has a wide selection of items, right? Like, I was kind of shocked at how many different styles they have, different colors, you know, the fit, like so many options to choose from. But with the Elite Box subscription, you take this quiz and a stylist curates the box for you, right? So it's kind of like taking the work out of it. So let's get into the box. Okay, so I got a couple of lingerie sets. I also got some loungewear, and even, I don't know how I'm gonna wear this just yet, but let's see. It's kind of like their basic line, but I'm excited to see how it's gonna fit. So let's get into the trim portion of this video. This is called the Diara Contour Plus. Love, love, love the lace detail here. I got this in a size 40D, so let's try it on. Okay, so this is the underwear for the Diara Contour Plus, and I got this in a 1X. Look at the detail right here, okay? And this is bra. I really like this. I think it fits pretty well. This is a really nice lace detail, and you know, we love the matching underwear. Okay, so the next item is going to be this like mesh t-shirt, and it also comes with matching mesh underwear. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I got this one in a size 3X because I bought this before and it was a bit small, so I was like, let me just get a bigger size. This is pretty cute. I feel like I could definitely like wear this out, even if I got like a smooth bra rather than a lacy bra. But I like this vibe with like some jeans, you know, a blazer. You could like really dress this up, or you could wear this on the beach as well, like swim cover up in a way. The arms are a little tight, but I do have like bigger arms in comparison to the rest of my body, so I don't know if that is why the arms are a bit tight, but other than that, I really like this. And you know, the matching underwear is also really cute. This could be like, you know, for sexy time too. The undies are called Ginny and the top is called Nadine. All right, so next up we have Fatima, and this is actually one of my faves. I got it in black this time. I have the blue version, so I knew I was gonna love it. I got both in a 2X, and I think in these like online like a bralette, I think the 2X fits me much better. So let's try it on. Okay, so Fatima is so comfortable. Oh my gosh. I love the detail right here. I like that it comes down a little longer. It's still supporting my breast even though it has no bone. And the straps are super comfortable. And the underwear also looks really nice with it too. So yeah, I think this is also another fave. Okay, so green is my favorite color. So I got the Marca Contour Plus. So I got this in a 40D as well. I love this little detail right here. Once I try it on, you'll be able to see it better. And of course, you know, it has the matching panties. So let's try it on. Okay, so I cut my head off a little bit so you guys can like see my full body, but this is the detail on the bra. Absolutely love that. I got a 40D, and then for the hipster panty, I got a 1X. Like, this is so cute. I know I look headless right now, but I like that this detail is also here. I mean, it's cute. This is definitely my fave so far. So this is called Alexia, and I got this in a size 2X. I love this purple. It's like a nice top with a pair of shorts. So let's try it on. Oh, this is really comfy. So there's like lace on the side here. So these are the pants, the shorts, really comfy. This has like a drawstring if you want to just pull it a little tighter, you can, and tie a bow. Yeah, I'm happy that I got this in a 2X because like when I'm lounging around, I don't want anything that's too tight. So this feels really good. And this is how short the bottoms are. So I'm definitely feeling this. Nice lounge set. You have the little lace detail on the arm. Very comfortable. I'm definitely gonna be like wearing this on the weekends. Okay, just to lounge around. Y'all know we work. I can even work from home in this. So yes. Okay, so these two are also like loungewear sets. So I got it in same thing in one color. So this is called the Dorothea Plus. Let's do the white color first. It's so white. So this is the top, and then these are the pants right here. So this is the white version. Love this. Got it in a size 2X. And then this is the green version. Did I also get it in a 2X? Yeah, so I got both of them in a 2X. Really like this. Super comfortable. I also got it in the green and I wore it out, giving sporty vibes. And then the last thing is sleepwear. And this is called cami. So it's like a sleep romper. This I also got in a 2X. So I wanted to make sure it will fit and then it will be comfy. But like, look at the color. Look at the color. It's like this purpley swirl. So pretty. Alright, so let's try it on. So I'm happy I got this in a size 2X. It fits very comfortably. You see all the shimmying and the shaking. There's also a tie in the back if you want to pull it tighter. You can adjust the straps. I absolutely love this. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that it was enjoyable. Tell me which of the sets was your fave, or maybe it was the loungewear or even the sleepwear. Don't forget you can check out the Elite box. I love this service. I think that it's a great way to treat yourself monthly. Don't forget you can always skip. But yeah, let me know which was your fave. I am like torn. I feel like all of them were my faves. As you can see, I was like, this is my fave, this is my fave. So I'm gonna leave the link to all the sets that I got down below, and I'm also gonna leave my link if you want to sign up for the Elite subscription box. I love Adore Me, love that I get to partner with them. Don't forget that you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram, on TikTok, and The Beat Inc. on Facebook and Pinterest. And without further ado, have a great night, guys. Bye.